Hello everyone, this is Kate. Welcome back to my channel. And recently, many friends received the battery and box, but they have some trouble about to assemble the box and they have some mistake. But our company promotion the semi-finished battery box like vertical and stackable. And today, let's first see the vertical battery box. How to assemble. Our company will provide the assemble video and document to you guys. First, let's see the assemble video. After watching this video, if you have some problem or question, you can tell me, and I also will send the assemble document to you guys. You can feel free contact me, okay? This is my WhatsApp and email. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.